Hello everyone, so if you want to properly charge a Motorola Razr 50, well, there are a couple options of doing this. So the first one is through the cable which goes in the box. Connect one side of your cable to your phone's charging port, here it is, and the second side of it to computer, laptop, power bank, or basically any kind of power outlet. The next thing is your wireless charging. So if we're gonna put it up on the wireless charger, as you see, it works great. For best results, position the phone so its wireless charging zone aligns with the charger zone. Keep in mind that the wired charging is much faster. So when the phone is off and connected to a charger, the screen will display battery outline with a percentage. If the phone is completely drained, wait a moment until the battery image appears. When the phone is on and on charging, the charging is visible on the status bar. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.